It's almost showtime, so y'all want
Come on in, y'all. Come on up. Hello.
Sharpie on front. Sharpie.
See that bitch called me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Rudy.
No, we can do Crucified first. That's what John tunes for. Yeah, let's do Crucified in the radio. How y'all doing?
Good.
Good to see you. What's up, Seth? All right, yes, sir. Thank you, brother. Thank you for being here. Is that little Seth? Right on. What's up, brother? How you doing? Thank you, guys.
Same, man. That's so beautiful.
Might as well start the show right now. Thank y'all for bearing with us. It's only the second night of the tour, and so there's still a lot of bugs in the kitchen that we're trying to get out. So just bear with us. We'll still have a good time tonight. We just got back from our home. It's good to be back home in the States. We had a great time over there. We go back in November, so it was a really big tour for us. So things went well, so it's gonna be fun playing the new songs from the new album here because we started over there. So this is a song called "Is This the Real You?" Would you like to hear it? Let's jam.
I couldn't hear it.
Yeah, that drum groove.
Dude, that with the SEVENDUST.
Oh, yeah. thing. How you doing?
I'm all right. Hanging in there.